Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about AMD's third quarter earnings beat estimates, revenue outlook tops expectations. And welcome back to your US market daily update. Today's spotlight is on advanced macro devices, better known as AMD, the chip giant that just reported third quarter earnings, and the results are in the beat Wall Street expectations across the board. Headline numbers. Let's start with the numbers. AMD reported earnings per share of $1.05, beating analysts' estimates of $0.94. Revenue came in at $6.9 billion, slightly above expectations of around $6.7 billion, up 18% year-over-year, driven by strong data center and client processor sales. Data center, the real star of the report, AMD's data center business. Revenue from this segment jumped 80% from a year ago, powered by soaring demand for AI and cloud infrastructure. CEO Lisa Su highlighted growing traction for AMD's MI300 AI accelerators, calling it one of the most significant product ramps in company history. Meanwhile, the client segment, which covers desktop and laptop chips, rose 14% year-over-year, supported by stabilizing PC demand. The gaming division, however, saw a mild decline, down around 5%, as console demand for Xbox and PlayStation continued to cool after the pandemic-era surge. Now, what really caught Wall Street's attention was AMD's revenue guidance for the next quarter. The company expects Q4 revenue between $7.3 and $7.7 billion, which tops analyst expectations. Lisa Su said AMD is seeing broad-based demand across cloud, enterprise, and AI customers, suggesting momentum will likely continue into 2025. Naturally, everyone is comparing AMD's performance to River and Deal, while Nvidia still dominates the chip space. AMD is quickly catching up, especially with the MI300 lineup gaining traction among hyperscalers like Microsoft, Azure, Amazon, AWS, and Meta platforms. In after-hours trading, AMD's stock initially jumped more than 4%, but later gave up some gains as investors digested the results and cautious guidance on margins. Analysts called the report solid and encouraging, with several firms raising their price targets into the $190 to $200 range. AMD's upbeat report also lifted sentiment across the semiconductor sector, pushing chip stocks like Intel, Qualcomm, and Micron higher in pre-market trading. This comes as investors bet that global chip demand, especially for AI and cloud computing, will remain strong despite geopolitical headwinds. So to wrap things up, AMD's Q3 results show a company that is not only surviving but thriving in the AI revolution with strong data center growth, stabilizing PC demand, and a bullish outlook. AMD seems ready to challenge Nvidia's dominance. Their execution will be okay. That's your US morning tech recap. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on the markets and big earnings stories. We are looking forward to your earnest reply and you're welcome to visit our channel. We are willing to tell you the big surprise news from the US stock market. Have a nice day.